Bullish Digibyte, DGB, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.043347 and $0.094399 by 2030. Market experts accept DGB could reach $0.043347 by 2025. Bearish Digibyte market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.007706. Digibyte, DGB, presentation. Numerous parts of the blockchain are being created to sub for the inadequacies of the Bitcoin and the Ethereum organizations, the Trailblazer blockchains. The speed rate, the exchange handling time, adaptability, and different perspectives are treated as fundamental areas for token turn of events. Digibyte is a quicker blockchain network contrasted with Bitcoin that objectives the issue of on-chain instability and exchange charges while filling in as a channel for arrangements. The first layer manages brilliant agreements, decentralized applications, dApps, token issuance, report approval, and resource digitization. The mid-layer is for the public record, which fills in as a public pipe for the circulation of the local token DGB through the Digibyte blockchain. The last layer alludes to the force to be reckoned with of the convention, which houses the organization's product, and hubs and handles on-chain correspondence and decentralization. With the security highlights came an innovation-empowered Digibyte blockchain that permits the making of another client sign-in convention called DigiID. This blockchain security convention permits clients to rely upon cryptography to get to their applications and sites. Digibyte, DGB, Central Investigation. Digibyte was established in October 2013 by Jared Tate and formally started block mining tasks known as Beginning Block in January 2014 as a Bitcoin hard fork. Up to this point, it has introduced an exceptionally protected definite guide that focuses on network security that plans to make the local area and financial backers happy with the exhibition. With this goal, Digibyte sent off Digibyte Rendition 8. A huge venture that is set to drive the token to the top tasks in the biological system. Be that as it may, in April 2017, Isolation Witness, SQUIT, an exchange design made to forestall unexpected exchange flexibility and permit the capacity of additional exchanges inside a block, the group behind the formation of DGB committed a piece of its association to the advancement of the organization and its extensive variety of innovation to the world. The above step and update have supported drawing in a ton of financial backers and organizations among firms and furthermore empowered the token to be recorded in significant trades like Coinbase, Binance, and so on. It has additionally supported the convergence of capital into the environment as additional selections are worked with among clients. This stage has given a solid stage to showcase members to browse numerous computerized resources for a minimal price. The numerous declarations and mechanical send-offs on the convention incorporates the send-off of Atom ID Authenticator Multi-Chain, an organization that permits the clients to overhaul for the presentation of the authenticator that handles DigiLaunch. This send-off extraordinarily affected the cost of DGB as it helped in the update of the whole Digibyte blockchain. Digibyte teamed up with Triple's network to make a decentralized and maintainable world and computerized environment. This is an exceptionally powerful drive that aided in the strengthening of shared web exchanges and the advancement of the supportability of the convention. During the public statement after the organization, Rudy Baumann, DGB Prime supporter, expressed, as an advantage of the association, the shared web firm, Triple, invites Digibyte into the Cognizant Web Union drive drove by the Triple establishment. This would work with additional worldwide decentralization. Digibyte, DGB, current cost. Digibyte is presently worth $0.009633. DGB has moved 0.30% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,879,497. Digibyte is presently positioned 153 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $148,734,470. Digibyte, DGB, Value Forecast 2022. Digibyte, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, DGB. The DGB cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.014449. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.013486 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. DGB is supposed to have a base worth of $0.011559. Digibyte, DGB, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Digibyte DGB cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DGB will before long outperform $0.024081. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the DGB's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DGB will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.019265 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.021192. Digibyte, DGB, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.033714 and DGB might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DGB is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.030824 and a low of $0.028898 in 2024. Digibyte, DGB, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Digibyte effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the DGB coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DGB will be green in 2025. The DGB is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.043347, with a base cost of $0.038530 and a typical cost of $0.040457. Digibyte, DGB, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the DGB cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.050089 by 2026, with a